Hey Anthony, thank you for clicking on my video today. I'd like to touch on 3 points today. First topic of discussion, we'll talk about content. Second will be backlinks and keywords. Third thing we'll talk about is citations. Now, I want to introduce myself. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I love doing what I do and helping small business owners such as yourself grow. With that being said, let's get to it. When you pull up Electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, you have these top competitors up here, which is Angie and Yelp. They're in the 1 and 2 position. And this is your competition, which we'll discuss in a bit. But you are ranked number 11, I believe. Yes. Yep, number 11. Let's pull up your website. So let's talk about a little bit about your website. It's a little bit outdated. We need content. Google really loves content. Now, the thing about content is Google loves approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words of content embedded within your site. So, with that being said, let's dig in and see how much content you have. And well, just by looking at this, I could just say you have probably about 600 words of content here. Not very much. So moving on, I noticed that your website is not secure, so it'd be a very great idea if we can get that secure. Moving on to the next thing, let's look at your competitor and see where they are. Okay, your competitor right here, okay, is Wagner Mechanical. Now, before I jump into this any further, as far as content and everything goes, the thing about Angie and Yelp and why these three are on the top is because they're at a national level. Now they're pushing power. Now, if we pushed power locally with the proper keywords and everything, Wagner Mechanical did it. So let's have a look in their website. Okay. And actually, before that, let's kind of touch on their website a little bit. They have a little bit more content, as you can see here. So they have about 800 words here, which again isn't very much. But moving on, there's this tool that is called Ahrefs. Now it looks at the different powers of each website. So I took the liberty. I bought this tool. Anybody could buy it, and what this is a live feed of the power of your website on Google. Now, Google's always crawling and 24/7 to figure out who's doing what, who has the right words, etc. So, what this is called the UR and the DR right here. Now, the UR, it shows the strength of your website, and the DR basically shows the trust. Now, these are different backlinks that, and this is on your website. You have 44 organic keywords going through here, and 52 referring domains. So now let's look at your competitor. When I went ahead and plugged them in as well, they have a little bit more strength than you, and they have a little bit more trust than you. So looking at this, they have 2.5K backlinks compared to you. So you got 402 backlinks. Now, I mean, we have access to all this stuff. All we got to do is go into their backlink profile, and boom, we have everything that they have. So jumping on to topic number 2 with backlinks and keywords. This is what's going to make the difference to get your website to the top and to get you landing those customers. So with that being said, we have everything that and all the tools that we need to get you ranking past them as well. Now, in order for us to rank, as we were discussing earlier, to get up here on the top slot, we can easily beat Angie and Yelp because they are not targeted with local keywords. Like on this one here, let's see. Okay, now Wagner. Now they're local, but they are not only targeting electrical service. They're targeting plumbing. They're targeting the HVAC. So they're not super focused on that. So that gives us a one up on that. So third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now citations usually lie up here in what we call the map pack. Now you are second uh, up here, so it took you a while to build these citations over the years. Once you opened up um, your Google Business Profile, so in order to beat McDonald, all we got to do is do what he's doing and then some. Just a little optimization goes a long way. I mean, you're not in a bad position. These three slots right here are probably where you want to be. So, with that being said, Anthony, thank you so much. That's about all I have for you. I appreciate you clicking on my video today. This is free information for you to do what you want. Do as you will. And if you choose to hire me as someone that could look into this for you and help you, feel free to contact me anytime. If not, no harm, no foul. You can keep this for your information, and I hope this was very helpful to you. Um, with that, you have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you, Anthony. Bye bye.